Welcome back to another Inventor professional tutorial with me, Mr. Fisher. We're going to be using Inventor Professional to find the weight of parts, sub-assemblies and full assemblies in this particular one, using Inventor 2024, which is this particular thing. Using the model browser here, it's very easy to find the weights of something. For example, if we wanted to find the weight of this particular part here, which is, I'm not sure why that pops up, but it does, which is the toe ball hitch. All you need to do is you need to find the part in the model browser. In this case, it's the toe ball hitch just here. Click on it once, then right mouse click, and it'll open up this wonderful thing. Down the second bottom one, it says I Properties, and when you click on that, you have a whole range of tabs across the top. On Physical, which is the very last tab, you can choose to update if that's available, and you might need to make sure that the material's right, but in this case, for that particular part, which is a cast iron toe ball hitch, it weighs, and this is an approximation from the program itself, 2.889 kilograms for that particular item. But that is that one piece. If we wanted a full assembly, for example, this particular assembly, which is the assembly of the axle for this trailer, we can find where that is, and you can see that even though the toe ball hitch was just a part, the assembly for the axle is an assembly, and you can see that little icon there. But the same process applies. If you right mouse click, down to the second bottom one, which says I Properties, wait for that box to pop up, go over to Physical, and you may need to update. In this case we didn't. 68.375 kilograms, and that's with all the various materials that make up that axle assembly. And if you have that same axle assembly, that's what yours should be as well. The overall weight, though, is really important to include all sub-assemblies. So to do that, you'll need to go to the very top item in your model browser, which in my case is called Trailer Trial, and you can select that one, and same goes, right mouse click, click I Properties, go to Physical, and if it's not already updated, which mine had, you can see the click on Update, and it will. And in this case, it shows you that my trailer assembly at the moment is just under 300 kilograms, 298.676. You could copy that, or you could screenshot it if you wish to put it into a report.